Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of August 11th, 2023. If you don't know me, I'm the parent liaison for both of our campuses. Feel free to email me with any questions or concerns. My email address is scooper@pbmalantana.org. Here are some upcoming events. Elementary Curriculum Night will be Thursday, August 24th. Grades 1 and Grade 4 will be 4 o'clock until 4:30. Grades 2 and Grades 3 will be at 4:45 until 5:15 p.m. And grades Kindergarten and Grade 5 will be from 5:30 till 6 o'clock p.m. Please note the corrected date and times for Elementary Curriculum Night. Secondary Curriculum Night will be Thursday, August 31st at 5 o'clock for all students. Here's a word from our administration.
Hi, I'm Mr. Perry from the elementary campus. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the first 2 days of school. It went awesome. Can't wait to see you guys back on Monday.
Greetings, PBMA family. What an amazing first 2 days of school we have had so far. Just a few quick reminders. Remember, we are a mandatory uniform school. You all have been doing an amazing job of ensuring that there are no spaghetti straps, no tights, no leggings, no jeans with rips, holes, and tears. We are very, very proud of you. Also, we want to let you know that you will be getting your books. If there are any classes that need to be changed, those classes will begin changing the second week of school. Just go onto our website, make sure you download the schedule change form, or go see your guidance counselor for the schedule change form. It must be signed by a parent in order for the change to be honored. Again, remember, there will be no schedule changes these first week of school. Again, even though we are moving to block scheduling, this week and next week we will be on straight 7 periods so that we can get our schedules acclimated and we can get everything we need turned in. I want to do a special congratulations to Nurse Notice. We were voted the #1 school in Palm Beach County for turning in the Vision Van. We have been able here at PBMA Secondary to have the most students that got the glasses that they needed. So we are definitely ensuring that our students are prepared. Again, we are off to an amazing start, and I know this year is going to be awesome.
Hello, PBMA families. I'm Mr. Andropont, HR and Facilities for our schools. I've been here 10 years now, and this has been the most exciting summer ever. We've had a lot of projects going on and still ongoing. The first 2 days of school, actually, I saw a lot of smiling faces. I'm not sure they're happy about being back to school. I think they're happy about all the changes and upgrades that we're doing for them. They're going to continue to see those take place. We still have things on back order, but it's looking really great on both campuses. I just wanted to welcome everybody. I also want to let you know that I will be on each week with a new segment called Dive In with Andropont and Meet the Shark Crew, where I will be introducing a couple staff members every week. Until next week.
Uniforms have been restocked. You can find the link to order our uniforms on our website. Click on the Parents and Students tab to the Uniform submenu. Please sign up for our important and emergency text message system from the homepage of our website. And finally, here are some pictures and videos of the first day of school. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll always be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.